What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty from thexking.com. Hit you with another video. And today's video is a real quick one: how to blog while on vacation. There are two ways you can do this. I do both of these options. So your option could be is wherever you're traveling to, you can take your laptop with you and you can write a blog post while you're at the hotel, whatever, family home. You can write your blog post. Or you can just have your cell phone, because you can blog from your cell phone. You can write a blog post from your cell phone, which I do that too. You can use your cell phone, download the WordPress app, put your username and password to WordPress, and you can start writing a blog post from your phone. Okay, while on vacation. Now, the way you should be doing it, because you can't predict how much time you have once you get to your destination. You might be busy all day, and you might have time to use your cell phone, write a whole blog post, or bring your laptop. So what I suggest you do is I suggest you timestamp your blog post to go live before you leave. So what I would do, because my frequency is every other day I do a blog post. If I'm gone for a week, I make sure I have a blog post every day while on vacation. Okay? So I know I'm good. So I know, and timestamp to go live in the future. That's how you run a blog while you're on vacation. That way, I don't need my laptop, because the blog post is going to go out. I might have bring it with me, but I'm not writing a blog post. I can just look at my stats and do comments if I choose to. You know, so I can do all the, with the laptop, I can do my easy stuff versus writing a whole article. I might have maybe 20 minutes on my laptop and that's it. So, you know, that's what I do. I timestamp my blog post to go live. If we're going on a plane or we're going on like a long road trip, I might write a blog post while we're driving. If my wife drives first, I'll drive back. I might write a blog post while I'm driving, because I'm not going to be on Facebook. I'm not going to be on YouTube. I'll be writing content for my site, and I can save the draft and finish it later. So that's how I run my blog on vacation, or I take a break. I have my work already written. I timestamp my work, and I write blog posts from my phone while we're driving to where we're going to. You know, my laptop, just for quick stats, just for quick stuff. No writing blog posts. That's how you run a blog while on vacation, and that's how you should be doing it. Doing it that way, okay? My name is Ty from thexking.com. Use that advice. Timestamp your work to go out live in the future. Write blog posts from your cell phone. Excuse me, you can't do so much with your cell phone. You can't like put links in, but you can still write content from your site, and I do that. I write a blog post while my wife drives or on a plane. I write content on the blog, save the draft for me to work on it later. So, you know, do it that way. And that's why, you know, if you don't do anything, if you don't want to do anything, just timestamp your work, go out live before you leave, and then have fun. Don't even worry about the blog. You can read your stats on your cell phone. That's how you do it. And same with YouTube. YouTube, same way. You could just, if you're a YouTube partner, you could schedule out videos, go live while you're gone. And if you're not a YouTube partner, all you have to do is download the video to YouTube and put it as private. So you have like maybe 5 videos. So you go on 5 days, you make 5 videos and have all as private. And then what you can do is go to YouTube Studio app, download the app to YouTube Studio, and you can make the video public, you know, whenever you want to. So maybe Monday, I got a video coming out. Monday morning, I'll go, oh, okay, so this video going live today. Go on my phone, take about a minute, and hit public, hit save, and YouTube will publish that video and go live right then and there. So that's how you do it. Do the work before you leave, and your YouTube partner, I schedule out. Don't even worry about it. Cause right now we're going out. You know, when I'm going on vacation, I already made 5 videos already to go live, and I got a blog post going live in the future. So I'm not even worried about it. So yeah, I'm not even worried about it right now. I got plenty of content going out. So that's it for my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video. how to run a blog on vacation. That's the way I do it. Do it the smart way. Do the work beforehand, because you might not have time to write a blog post while you're out, and your cell phone is good, but you really can't, I type faster than I type on the phone. I type on the keyboard faster than I write on a cell phone. So that's how you do it. My name is ToddFastKing.com. Thanks for watching.